and it will get you back every single time with your transfer foil. So I am go ahead and apply on entire nails. Make sure if you want your whole nail transfer, make sure you cover the nails with the transfer foil gel. If not, then they will not gonna transfer for you. So we are going to kill this for 30 seconds. Oh, hello. Hi, Em. Hi, Kali. How are you? Happy New Year, Em, and thanks so much for tuning in. And we're gonna wait. In the meantime, we are waiting for the nails to be cured. I have is this foil we are going to use, and then this is so adorable. I created for you, just really simple, using the centerpiece crystal charms and the starter kit from Valentine starter kits. Thanks so much, Mika, for tuning in and for posting the websites. Thanks so much, everyone, for tuning in. Thank you, Glitz babe. All right, so now it's already done. So I'm go ahead and using this foil is from a box number 65, and you can choose any part. You can do like angle, you can do straight, however you would like. Maybe I should get this one. This one is so adorable. I want this. Okay, let's see. Give it a good rub. The poets at how easy and fast it is. Come right off. Oh my god, it's so adorable. If you don't want anything else, or you want just a little bit crystal, go right for it. And if you don't want anything else, you can just top coat and cure for 60 seconds and you're good to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and using some of the crystal placements, and on this time maybe I should have doing a matte top coat. Shiny, you can do shiny or you can do matte, either way. So now a lot of you were asking it matte top coat. You can substitute the shiny top coat with the matte top coat. Should we go matte or shiny? Matte, shiny?
Let's do matte.
Matte today? Okay.
We're alternating.
Okay, well, maybe one day is matte and one day shiny, one day matte and one day shiny. So we're gonna go ahead, and then this is ours is traditional condensed glue gels, really thick density. Also, there are the triple thick condensed glue gels is out there, so then that way you can able to really enjoy doing a lot of 3D cluster, 3D pointed back. So go ahead and apply the matte right on the top of the condensed glue gels. So this because it's the metal charms, and then with the crystal, so I can using this with the condensed glue gels. Oh my god, that's so adorable. So which one's this one with the purple, this one with the red? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and using this designs. Is this from all you can create? This is so simple and easy. It's from using the bows as well. You know what? You can do a smaller one. Should we do the smaller one?
Well, you already have the big one. Use it.
So now keep in mind, if you are going to like don't want a lot of crystals, you can stop at any point. You can just stop and then don't put the bows on. If you want dramatics and then have a background, add the transfer foil. And then you want more crystal, then here you go. And that's it. You don't have to do anything else. You can put some beads on as you prefer. Or you can just leave it like that. Okay. Oh Oh my god, it's
That look
so
amazing.
so adorable, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You can add a couple beads here if you want to. Not necessary. Really quick beads. Yeah.
You know what? This one actually looks like cinnamon.
Sailor Moon.
Mm-hmm.
I should put the moon in there.
No, like it's just all heart. All heart with a pink ribbon. Yes.
The heart. This is a red ribbon, babe.
Mm-hmm. Ribbon, you have a red heart.
So adorable. All right. Happy Kia for 60 seconds.
Yep, special secret.